The last few steps involve updating the animate function to display the checkpoint screen when the player reaches a checkpoint. Start by adding a for each to the checkpoints array. So if we go up, um, where is our checkpoints array? Oh, there it is. So here is our checkpoints array. Well, it is a generated array because of the map here, which is assigned to the original array, the checkpoints position here. So again, this is a newly generated array called checkpoints, and we are to add a for each to it. So first we would have to access the checkpoints array and then use the for each method, and then a callback function. And in the parameter, we are to add the individual elements inside the array, which should be named as checkpoint, and then index, and then checkpoints as the parameters. So that would be it. Nice.